Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to share a Google Drive folder with someone else. Now there are a few ways that you can do this. Once you are in your Google Drive and you have the folder that's ready to be shared, from this home screen, from my Drive home screen, if I have the folder highlighted, you'll notice I have this green Science folder highlighted. And go ahead and right click on the folder. You can either get a link that goes directly to it. If I do that, then I would want to make sure the permissions are set to how I'd like them. So I'm going to do anyone with the link can view. That's how I'd like them to receive this copy. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. The other way is go ahead and highlight the Google Drive folder you'd like to share. At the top right corner, you can again get a link, or you could share it with a person by grabbing their email address. This will also give you the option of sharing the link as well. Again, you can change the permissions of what you'd like them to be able to do. You could add their email directly here. You could add a message. This will go directly to their inbox. Or again, you could get that link. Now, if you are in the folder that you'd like to share, you could also still share that folder. So I'm going to go ahead and go in. If you want to share it from within the folder, go ahead and click on the folder at the top, the name of the folder. You can get a link or you can share it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. I'll catch you in the next video.